Can you hear? Mountain lion? Not a mountain lion. I asked all these birds around here. They listened. One listened over here, a different one. It said no. It nodded its head no. And these ones over here, they're very certain. Mountain lion, no. And I asked them telepathically, and they answered vocally. Yeah, I don't hear one either. I'm over here at Paramount Ranch. That's why. Thank you, dude. Scoopjay? What? Scoopjay? Mountain lion? Scoopjay? Scoopjay just said, no mountain lion. That was a hummingbird. The Nanday just flew by and it said, there isn't a mountain lion, there isn't a mountain lion. And I said, thank you very much. They sure know when there's something there or not. Where's Nanday? Nanday! Where's Nanday? Nanday! Thank you. Nanday! Hey! Smart Nanday. Guess what? Is mountain lion? No mountain lion, I hear you. What is all of this about? Beautiful birds, look at that. Beautiful birds, wow. You know, I don't know what to think about the tape today because I was determined not to talk about mountain lions ever again. But for some reason, the birds are just going nuts about the mountain lions in Malibu Creek State Park. But here in Paramount Ranch, near the ranger station, all of the birds, and I mean there are a lot of birds that are English literate there, they all say there's no mountain lions there. I just, I can't figure it out because there was never a problem before, and now I don't feel safe to go to Malibu Creek State Park anymore, At least I pay $11 and then I have to leave right away. But if I go to Paramount Ranch, it doesn't cost anything. And along the road that runs parallel to the state road, there's no trouble. That's just my thought on it. It's not all in my head, but I don't know for sure whether the ravens would pretend, at Malibu Creek State Park. And I'm not in a position to know for sure what's going on with the mountain lions. I'm sorry, I can't say much more. I can only say what the birds say and what the birds tell me to do, I wish I had that Nanday parakeet on the line, the one that said, mountain lion not here. He was really good. Maybe later. Well, you never know. Can you hear that when the plane goes over? I heard a mountain lion talking. No, it was way over there. Remember that old woman pass over there? It's not here, it's over that way, in the far country. They're talking right now. Are those mountain lions? Who is it? Oh, it says it's a ranger, but I never know if the mountain lions are pretending to be rangers out here. I don't know what to think. I think it's a mountain lion. You guys are trying to kid me. Tell the truth now. Who are you? Did you hear that? We don't want you to goddamn... You guys, cut it out. If you're a mountain lion, tell me. Are you a mountain lion? Over here. I don't see any ranchers over there. Are you a mountain lion? Silence. Now, Nanday country. Mountain lions? There is. Thank you. Okay, this tells you how good those Nandays are with English. I said, are there mountain lions around? And they said, there is and there isn't. Then they said, when there's people around, there are no mountain lions, and when there are no people around, there are mountain lions. This is for Paramount Ranch. Did I get that right? Nandays? Another type of bird said, another type of songbird said, yes, you did. Thank you, Songbird. Thank you, Songbird. Nanday! Nanday? Why did you stay there? Why did Nanday stay there? Did they went flying off? Oh, okay, I'll be quiet. Yeah, Nanday stayed. It was a Nanday talking. Did everybody else hear that? Everybody else knows how to talk to them too. Who is that? Kraken? Hey, Kraken. Heron, hey. Hey, Heron. Whoop. Ducks! Oh, ducks, I'm so sorry. I knew it was you. Ducks. Ducks, I saw them flying over, so. Dude, what are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? What's up? What's up, up? Ducks! 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 You're ducks. Pleased to meet you. Ducks. Ducks. I heard the ducks. Who are you guys? Oh, ducks. Who is that there? Ducks. A bafflingly brilliant response. I asked you how many people these days could parse that answer in that manner. It's the complicated logical response. Okay, it's if A, then not B. If not A, then B. You see, it's a logical, parsed logical response, and spoken in perfect English. These Nanday parakeets are absolutely baffling. I hope there's a linguistic expert out there that can explain this better than I can. I'm absolutely astonished. Absolutely. Those Nandays are incredible. Absolutely incredible. I'm speechless. 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 Almost speechless. Not quite. Yeah? Why is this particular place so linguistically talented? You got that? Why is that? Lots of people? You very much are. Very, very bright birds. Very bright. My goodness. I'm bowled over, truly. Bowled over. Yeah, that's me. Bowled over. Oh, how amazing. Just amazed. I thought that was the woodpecker saying bowled over. It likes bowled over. Yep, woodpecker. Acorn woodpecker. Yep. Yep, yep, yep. Okay. Okay. You don't see that mountain lion? It draws them, I know. It's dangerous. I'm very sorry. I'm sorry I did that. I won't do that again. Don't pretend? Okay, don't pretend. That's the acorn woodpeckers, if I got it right. They're explaining. What happened was, I just pretended to a mountain lion way over there that I was a mountain lion. I said, I'm a mountain lion too. And I sounded mean. Oh, yes, I am. And then the acorn woodpeckers started and said that I ought never do that. Bad luck. Summons the mountain lions. I'm thinking, is that it? Okay, somebody else said, might be a lady, rancher. Yeah, they might come and check it out and eat you. Well, time to go back. I can tell when that stuff comes up. I'm just going back. Goodbye, acorn woodpecker. I'm thinking about you. Thank you for explaining to me. You have a good sense of humor and you have good sense too. Both are true of the acorn woodpeckers. And they have a very good ability to store food. There are many good things about acorn woodpeckers. And they're pretty quiet so nobody can find them. And they fly especially good. You do all those good things. Goodbye. See you another time, I hope. Bye-bye. I'm thinking about you. Bye. I'm thinking about you. You're good. You're a good, special kind of bird. Different from other birds. I notice that all the birds are modest. They don't like it when I praise them. Wouldn't it be funny if people were like that? No, mammals are quite different. Easily beguiled, easily fooled by a passing word and a special glance. What did you say? I can walk on water. What did you say? 10 to 1 you cannot walk on water. Did I hear that? Who said that? Nanday. Nanday. 10 to 1 you cannot. Nanday, Nanday, Nanday. 10 to 1 you cannot walk on water. I can walk on water when the mountain lions are chasing me. You've never seen me do it because they're not chasing me right now. Yes? Do you believe me? And they believe me? No? And he's thinking it over. the songbirds decided I can get through water very fast. How about walking on water? Ducks can walk on water. Darshankar cannot walk on water. This is telepathic response. I see. There are human people that can walk on water. But I never walked on water, but I could, I bet, like ducks, because I like ducks. And I like Nandays. And ravens, and songbirds. I like all the birds. Every bird. Good birds. Herons, ducks, everything. Yes. Well, we mammals believe, I'm a mammal, you know. We believe we can do things that otherwise we could not do. We believe you could too, if you want to. Special things. Like, maybe I could fly if I had to, but so far I never flew. But you can fly. You see? We think we could, but we just haven't practiced. That we have no wings. That doesn't make sense. Can you hear? It certainly does not make any sense. It certainly does not make any sense at all. Who is that? Woodpecker? Who is that? Jay? Woodpecker? I'm mixed up. Very mixed up again. Well, you guys can talk English now, right? Maybe one day I'll fly. I cannot fly, Nanday. Not yet. Wow, what a beautiful flyer you are. Wow, so beautiful. Wow, so beautiful. Beautiful. It's a beautiful flyer. Bird just went over. It flew so beautifully. It was soaring and coursing through the air. It was so beautiful. Wow. Well, even if I could fly, I could never fly like that. Ah, you guys fly just beautifully. I would look so silly. Lucky if I could go a tiny way, that's all. Beautiful. Wow. What? It will? It will be Mount Lion over there? Yep. Where is it? Up there? Up there? Thank you, Nandays. I'm just leaving. I'm going to go. Yep, up there. Up there? Up that mountain? Okay. There's a mountain lion up there, and sometimes it pretends to be a rancher, and sometimes it pretends to be a ranger, and when it pretends to be a rancher, it uses cuss words that the ranger can't use, so it knows the different dialects, and it fooled the rancher over there, the rancher's helper, into thinking that it was a ranger, and I tricked it, and now the rancher's helper knows what's up. He knows what's going on, and everybody else does too. How did I trick it? Okay. You want to know? I could hear it talking, and I said, "Are you really a ranger or rancher, or are you a mountain lion?" And I waited and I listened. And it didn't say anything at all. If it were a person, it would have answered back. But no. That was a mountain lion. Right, Nanday. That was a mountain lion. Oh boy. Tricky mammals, I tell you. Deceptive. Sometimes deceptive. Not like good birds at all. I like the birds better. Down straight. I do. I like the birds better. Nanday. Very deceptive mountain lion. Sometimes he becomes very enraged too. I don't like that. Birds don't do that. Generally, unless somebody's really mean to them. They're really mean to them, they get upset too. Well, that's my visit to Paramount Ranch. This time another short visit. God bless you all and keep you safe and be with you through all your days. In love, light, and joy, this is Alice B. Clagett. I am of the stars, and so are you. Come and visit me at awakeningwithplanetearth.com.